Okay, real talk. Have you seen these animal haircut videos? They are going absolutely viral right now. And the best part is, you don't have to spend a single dollar. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral animal haircut videos step by step. So to get started, head over to ChatGPT and click on Explore GPTs in the left sidebar. Then search for Animal Haircut Generator and choose that one. Hit Start Chat and begin the generator. It's going to ask you to choose an animal and a haircut style, so I'm going with a hamster and a mullet, because why not? Now just wait for it to load. Once it's ready, the GPT will give you 2 image prompts and 1 video prompt to create these videos. Now copy the first image prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Click on Image Generation. Choose the aspect ratio and make sure it's set to 9:16. Select the number of outputs and make sure you have chosen Nano Banana 2. Paste your image prompt and hit generate. After a few seconds, your image will be ready, so just pick the one that looks the best. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the second image prompt and paste it into the Google Flow prompt box and hit generate again. After a few seconds, your second image will be ready, and this one will act as your final haircut image. Now we move to the video part. Choose the video generation option, and for the start frame, add your first image, and for the end frame, add your final haircut image. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, paste it into the prompt box, and hit generate. It usually takes at least a minute, so just wait a bit. And just like that, your video will be generated. Now take a look at it. The quality is actually impressive, like way better than it has any right to be. Just download it and you're done. You can repeat this with different animals like cats, dogs, lions, basically anything. And the more random it is, the better it performs. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you liked it. And if you want more AI tutorials like this and want to discover new viral niches, make sure to subscribe to AI Excentra. I'll see you in the next one.